Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are really doing great. So in today's video I'm recreating this look, and this look is inspired by Sonam Kapoor, and this is her red carpet look in Cannes 2018. She is looking flawless in this traditional look. So I tried to create this look inspired by her. So if you want to know how I created this look and what products I used, please keep watching. First, I am priming with my favorite Patanjali Soundarya Aloevera gel. This acts as a very nice primer, especially in the summers. Next, moisturizing with Lacto Calamine lotion. Moisturizing is a very important step to get a flawless base. For foundation, I am using Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover with SPF 25, and my shade is 02. It is a very good foundation and helps to create a flawless base, which I need to create Sonam's look. Next, concealing and highlighting the usual areas of my face with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sable. Applying it under my eyes, below the hollows of my cheek, chin, bridge of the nose and forehead, and then blending it nicely with the beauty blender. Contouring my face with ADS the Balm contour palette, and I am using the most darkest shade in the palette. Contouring the hollows of my cheek, my jawline and my hairline for a chiseled look just how Sonam has. Next, taking my Mars palette and using this pink blush. Next, using my Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate palette, I am highlighting the usual high points of my face. Filling my eyebrows with a dark brown shade from my Jaclyn Morphe palette. Next, I am concealing my eyelids with the same concealer. This will help get a smooth eye makeup. Next, setting the concealer with NELF USA Compact, and my shade is 02. Next, taking this yellowish shade from my Jaclyn Morphe palette, I am using this as a transition shade and applying it with a fluffy brush. Next, using this darker shade, I am applying it on the crease and smoothing it out with a fluffy brush. Smaller brush, I am applying the same shade on my lower lash line and smudging it a little. Taking this shimmery golden shade and applying it on the lid with a flat brush, making shape of the eye as I go, and then blending everything out with a clean fluffy brush. Lining my lower waterline with a white kajal from Mars, and then lining my upper line with a black gel eyeliner from Music Flower. I am creating a nice traditional wing just like how Sonam has done. Now lining my lower lash line with Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, and I am leaving the inner 1/3 blank. Also smudging the kajal a little with a pencil brush. Next, using the Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara on my lower and upper lash line, and I will put falsies off camera. For lipstick today, I am using a Burgundy shade from Lotus Herbals to match the shade Sonam is wearing. Lastly, highlighting the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bones with the same Makeup Revolution highlighter. Once again highlighting my cheekbone and forehead vigorously to get that perfect Sonam Kapoor look. And this is the final look that I have created. So guys, I hope you like this video and the look. If you like the look, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please also share this video with your family and friends. I hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, take care, love you and bye-bye.